lovely Dylusionists and hopefully some Dina fans as well. I'm here in my garden. It's a lovely day. I've been thrown out of my studio. Emmy's cleaning. She's on a whirl. So I'm sat out here. So anyway, I have a special guest with me today. You ready? Oh, it's Miss Dina Wackley, or Dina Wakely, as we just like to affectionately call her. I'm really sorry, but my printer ran out of ink, so she's in black and white. Hi, hello Dina. Here she is. So the reason Dina is with me and couldn't be with me in person is we are announcing, I bringeth the news of a new online class that is going to be me and Dina together, okay? So I'm sorry it's short notice. It actually starts Tuesday the 14th, okay? Starts Tuesday 14th. I am flying out to the States. We have got a trade show together. So we are going to teach the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 14th, 15th, 16th, go to the trade show, teach at the trade show, fly back, and then teach Sunday, Monday, which is the 19th and 20th. So it's going to be a 5-day course, but it's going to be longer than my normal courses. I'm just going to pop you down here, Dina. Longer than my normal courses, but it's going to be split up Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then you'll have a couple of days so you can catch up, and then we'll do Sunday, Monday. And what we're doing is we do an event. For years we did an event called Back to Back. And the last couple of years, we've started doing an event called Better Together, okay? Dina and I, and it's usually an in-person event. We teach it in the UK at Art from the Heart, and we teach it at Ranger. We have taught it once in California as well, but unfortunately that store's no longer there. And it's an in-person class, and it's a big event. And so a lot of people say they can't come, they can't travel, they can't take the time. So we thought, while I was staying at Dina's, let's bring it online. So that's what we're doing. So we're bringing last year's Better Together class online, okay? So this, Dina sunbathes down there, she'll be fine. So this was the set. We're making art cards. Now, I only have my set with me that are done with my products. Dina has her set that's done with her products, but Dina is way over the ocean. So we will get some photos and we'll pop them in the descriptions and things for you as well. But anyway, these are what everybody made with mine. So we made these art cards and we used a combination. So on the backgrounds we've got painting techniques, we've got cakes and sticks going on there, then we have collage, we have collage, we have stamps, different bits and pieces. I had quotes on the back of mine as well. Now obviously they did not get these finished in the event because you make 24 with me and you make 24 with Dina, so that's 48. Nobody got anything finished. That was the set we did in the UK. This is the set that I did when we taught it at Ranger, and you can see I've not finished. I haven't coloured in a lot of them. They've got no quotes on the back. There's no doodling done. I'm going to try and get these quotes done on the way over on the plane. Can you see? These are very much in their infancy stage. So you will not finish a whole set like this. And then of course there's 24 of Dina's. Now Dina, she'll put hers, I can give you my supply list of what I used, and we'll put Dina's on. Obviously it can't be in this video because she's not here. I've already hinted a bit to some of my Dylusionists, and they're like, what if we haven't got Dina's product? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Just use what you've got. Dina will be using gloss paints, gloss sprays. If you haven't got them, try it with my cocktail sprays, okay? Dina will also be using some of her tissue paper. Once you see the list, if you feel you want to go get some, it'll be well worth it. But if you've not, improvise. If you are a Dina supporter watching this video and you're like, I don't have anything Dyan does, I'll be using my cakes and sticks. You could use the scribble sticks. I'll be using my collage sheets. You could improvise with her collage sheets. I'm using the Dinky Doll stamps. You could use, do you see what I mean? It's not about doing exactly that we do, but you can, if that's what you want to do, you can. It's more about making, I've got my description, and we forgot we wrote this. It just said, this year we'll create a unique deck of art cards, whether you're making oracle cards, affirmation cards, storytelling prompts, or simply a personal visual journey. This event is all about exploring small format art with a big creative impact. We'll dive into layering techniques and how to work in a series while keeping each card fresh and expressive. You'll combine images, colour, texture and collage to create a deck that reflects your artistic voice. And we wrote that 10 months ago, so that's why I couldn't remember it offhand. So each day some days it will just be me, some days it'll just be Dina, some days it'll be the two of us together, some days it'll be half and half. That's what, when we teach, that's what we do. We sort of come backwards and forwards a bit. We usually do the messy stuff first, so I'll do some background, she'll do some backgrounds, etc. The base of the cards are the pages from my journals. So it's the mixed media card stock, because it takes both of our mediums beautifully. But again, use what you have. It's not about coming out with an identikit. It's more about seeing how we work together, how we do things, how you can combine. Okay, this will be the last time we teach this class, because as I say, we've already taught it and we're getting ready, we're gearing up ready to teach the next one in October, which will be a new one in the UK. So I hope you can join us. Don't worry if it's short notice, you can buy this class lasts forever, you can buy it whenever. Another thing I would say is as well, don't try to keep up with us in the class. Okay, when we're teaching online, we have everybody keeps up with us, because that's how the class moves along. But when it's online, you have the ability afterwards to rewind, to pause, to mute us when we're singing, fast forward, all the things like that. So you could maybe start, but then sort of enjoy it and watch, and then you know what you're going to do, and you can go back and you can do it. Do not put time constraints on yourself. Just enjoy it for what it is. If you don't want to make small cards, you can make bigger pages. These could easily be journal pages, they could be greetings cards, they could be tags, they could be anything like that. If you're new to me, don't be frightened. If you're new to Dina, don't be frightened. We've sort of worked together for about 11 years now. We've always done these things and they are so much fun. And so we're going to be coming live from Dina's house. These are live, by the way, but you don't have to watch them live. You will have the ability. For those of you who might be new, you have to go onto my website, which is up above. It's Dyan Reevely and more. You go on there and you have to make an account, because that's where we will be hosting the class. Okay, account's totally free. It doesn't cost you anything. Once you've made your account, that's where your class will always be. It will be in your dashboard. Now, if you're going to watch the classes live, when you click down your dashboard, you look for live class. You press it on there, and that's where the class, you scroll down, there's a picture at the top, scroll down, the class will come live at the given time, okay? And there's the ability to chat on there. If you're watching this class later, it's no longer in live classes. It's just go to your dashboard and just go into classes. And that's where all your old classes go. And then if you buy any more classes, they all go in there. So if it's coming up, if it's a live class coming up, you go into live classes. If it's already been, you just go into classes, okay? And it will always be there for you. That's where you book it as well. You go onto my website and you book it on there, and there is a little converter if you want to know what the dollar price is, and all the supply lists and everything will be on there as well. Okay, so can't wait to see you. All right.